2006 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Two tones on the paint. Got factory converters there and there. Then, like you guys wanted, we true dueled it. No X-Pipe, no nothing. All the way back, 2 1/4. All the way back to mandrel bent 2 1/4 tailpipes. All the way back into some chrome tips, oval chrome tips, right there and right there. There it is, true dual, all the way back, Silverado. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. This is the sound decibels of it. Around 108, 110 at the most. Go ahead and back it up. It's a work in progress, I think. Much better. Get on. Enjoy it, brother.